Today's educational landscape is going through a revolution unlike any we've ever seen before. The e-learning industry growth statistics aren't showing any signs of slowing down, and the corporate e-learning sector is expected to grow by as much as $38 billion by 2024. According to PyData Metrics, the leading search term in the e-learning category on Google Australia from January to March 2020 was e-learning with a search volume of 657,000. The second and third most popular search terms in this category were coaching and online courses, respectively. At Skills Academia, we are driven by our strong belief that every learner should have access to a high-quality, innovative, and inclusive education. We are passionate to partner with institutions, colleges, organizations, and internal teams to develop or improve e-learning projects and strategy. Whether you need assistance redeveloping your existing learning resources, implementing e-learning courses into your organization, or don't know where to begin with e-learning, we can provide a range of strategic services that will address your requirements. From curriculum and training package design to whiteboard and explainer animation video production to rejuvenate your learning management system and improve student engagement. Call us today to request more information and register to enter the draw to win a 4 weeks coaching and mentoring package.